In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Airtable. Airtable offers a versatile platform that combines the functionality of a database with a user-friendly interface, making it an excellent tool for creating surveys. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a complete understanding of each phase. First things first, head over to the Airtable website. You can do this by simply entering www.airtable.com into your browser's address bar. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but for those of you who already have an Airtable account, go ahead and click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your login credentials and click on Continue to access your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself back on the Airtable main dashboard. This is your launching point for creating anything within Airtable, including your survey. The next move is to click on the Create button. This option is prominently displayed and will be your first step in starting your survey project. After clicking Create, you will see several starting options like templates and existing projects. Scan through these options and click on the Forms option to enter the Forms interface. At this juncture, you'll want to select a template that suits your needs. For demonstration purposes, let's choose the Product Feedback Form template. Templates are a great way to jumpstart your process since they provide a structural framework that you can customize later. Click on the Use Template button to add this form to your workspace. You're now within the workspace area labeled as My First Workspace. In this space, you'll create and manage your projects. Here, click on the Add Base button. This allows you to integrate your new form template into the workspace seamlessly. After adding the base, navigate back to Forms, located in the toolbar associated with your new project. Here comes the fun part, customizing your survey form to meet specific needs. You can tailor questions, add new fields, adjust field types, or even remove unwanted sections. This step is crucial as it allows you to align the survey in a manner that will best capture the information you are looking to gather. Be sure to pay attention to detail and structure your questions in a clear, concise manner to yield the best response from survey participants. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a survey in Airtable. Remember, Airtable's flexibility gives you the chance to tweak any aspect of the survey as you go along. Feel free to return to these steps anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.